Super Kids! I'm Poppy. Today we will learn cool superhero words. Let's start. Superhero vocabulary for kids. Cape. Cape. A cape is a superhero's flying cloth. This is what a cape looks like. Shield. Shield. A shield keeps superheroes safe. This is an example of a cool shield. Superpower. Superpower. Superpowers are the special strengths superheroes have. Here is a powerful and really cool superhero. Fly. Fly. Many superheroes can fly high in the sky. Rescue. Rescue. Rescue means saving and helping others. As you can see in this picture, this cool superhero is saving this tiny puppy and this kitten from this house which has got fire. And now, here are a few bonus words for you. Mask, hero, villain, team, strength. So now you know so many different words related to superheroes. Now let's play a quick recap game. So which word means saving people? Come on, take a guess before checking the answer. I'll count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you got that correct. The right answer is rescue. Here's another quick question for you. What do superheroes wear on their face? Let me count to 5 while you take a guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. The right answer is mask. Yay, Super Kids! You learned superhero words today. And with that, it also brings us to the end of this lesson. And for more such fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.